Alright, it's been a while since I've been, recording, but anyway, here goes. So, on this chart, price has had no retracement, alright, to the 50% level. Alright, so big banks like to buy here, had this big wick on Friday, and then we're just trading in this little choppy consolidation. My goal all night has been to take this low, which we just did, sitting in a little runner here that you can see all the little trades I took tonight. And basically these are just adding, taking profit, add, take profit, add, take profit. So I'm on my last runner, I'm looking for, just above this 50% level. Might get it, tonight, before London opens. London, likes to push up, a little bit, and then, run or push down, run. Anybody that's traded knows, but, there is hope for this short to keep going, but $500 tonight, just, tapping into like this one trade over here. So, and the reason being that, it just supply and demand. You had this push down here. We created this supply zone here, and I'll put a link at some point in in the description here. But basically, this guy Brad trades on YouTube. He looks for a small candle, he looks for a big candle, and he looks for price to trade back into a supply zone. So here I got in a little premature, a little early. Went ahead, let it go against me a little bit, because I realized that I had not entered on the supply zone. So anyway, I created these little perfect freaking entries, dude. And got some really good trades. The ultimate trade I was looking for was this big one. Looking at the price action on candles, basically, 3 green, put in a black candle, add a supply zone, put in, some weakness here on the 1 minute plus that doji right there. And I just refuse to get long right now, just because I was looking for this low, finally got it, added some, just micros just to give me like $500, but I mean, these trades are only like 10 points or so, but really good trades. And this guy, Brad, trades, it's basically the same shit we learned over in Vision. These zones, this is just an order block that got stabbed into. Potentially, if we were to go over here to the 1 minute, we could find where this potentially stabbed an order block. Let's see here. Let's just say, for shits and giggles, we left the order block here. Okay. Price never stabbed into it, but you're not always going to get an order block. I like fair value gaps more than I do order blocks, so we did get a stab into the fair value gap left behind here, right here-ish, and then price rejected. And then all night long we've been looking at manipulation and distribution. Ultimately, the demand zone obviously is down here. So with this low, I was looking for price to take this low all night. I've been waiting on this, and finally got it, taking every pullback, every higher high. And if you look, you'll notice these entries are all at the tops, and these take profits are all here down at the bottoms. So very few trades going against me. I use the moving averages to, just kind of, you know, I use moving averages as kind of like another confluence, but price is trading under these. And now, the 9 o'clock or midnight, New York midnight open, price does this so often where, this is the midnight open. So if you go over here to the, let's say 2101, price, opens here, midnight open, 901, and then it will just kind of manipulate. But I will tell you that more often than not, the midnight open is most of the time it's a short opportunity. Let it go against you or whatever. Let it trade under. Go ahead and take it. At the midnight open, but take it short because the midnight open, for some reason, more often than not, is a huge short opportunity. So anyway, $485 right now for the night. If this does take my stop, which I do expect it to do at some point, looks like it might take it here pretty quick, but it's been a great night of trading. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, and hopefully through many more. I've got some analysis on Ford, AMD, and even the SPY. Short opportunities here in the future for because if we go over to the SPY, this will just be real quick. If we go over to the SPY, the volume on SPY, if we go to the monthly, alright, and over here we go to the weekly. Guys, look at the volume on this shit. Alright, don't even look at the candles, alright? Take a quick look at the candles and look at what we're doing on the monthly and the weekly. Volume's going down, and price analysis, volume price analysis, it tells us that when price is going up and volume is going down, that we are looking at a potential short opportunity. I mean, especially since we're so extended, we haven't really had a to the 20 SMA in, was that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 weeks. So going on 3 months with no pullback whatsoever. I really like when price gets these pullbacks. We've got this little demands on here, but anyway, 560, 570 puts, even 500 puts might be reaching, but yeah, 550 puts in the near future. So Ford, great opportunity to start buying. $11 for your kids, grandkids. It's gonna be wild the next few years, I think, for Ford. But anyway, all right, we'll see you in the next one, and hopefully these play out if you take any of these trades.